Hey guys, what's up? I'll be making a video today on my Nerf gun. So this is part of it. Let me get the rest. I have the laser on it. Comes with it. Let me just put this together real quick. So this is what it looks like with it actually. Better believe I like it better this way. And you can do this little thing. Push this down, makes a pistol. So what you want to do, load this right here. You jacket throws. Then, so we're gonna test it. Let's look at this. Ooh, owned like a cardio too. Now we're going to take a shot. Oh! Rapid fire. No more left. You want to jack it back. Drop the cartridge. And then I already had another cartridge prepared. I'm going to get my other cartridge prepared real quick. Okay, so I have the next cartridge ready. Just like that. So the next one prepared. Then you just like load that in. Just like this. Beautiful. So rapid fire. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no shot. Okay. Next one. Next cartridge in. Now we're gonna take the buttstock off. Now we're gonna boom. Oh, skip something. Boom! Ooh. Bad idea. Here's the test, guys. A test, actually. See how good at the aim I am. Oh, so close. Oh, like 1 inch away, man. Nothing left. Better reload. Oops, wrong way. This one. Gotta reload it, of course. Make it do better.
Yeah, but it actually does. It goes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
This way, this way, and this way. Okay. So, and then you'll put this one in and this one in. Just like that. Now, go. And then this way is awesome too. Oops. Oh, 1 shot. Get on the ground. Look up in there. it's jammed, okay? So, when it gets jammed, and then take it out. This is the one that's jamming it. This. Oh, there it is. How am I gonna get that? Okay guys, that'll be all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you later. Bye.